this into this. See, a little bit nicer. Actually wear them out now. See that Jumpman on the back, looking pristine. So here's what you're gonna need. Some paintbrushes, some good quality paintbrushes, some white Angelus paint right here. It has to be Angelus paint, don't try any other paints. Some acetone and some black Angelus paint. And if you want, you can use sandpaper to strip off all the paint on the side. So basically you just take it and just sand it all off. It takes a while, but it's worth it. I just got already started. So what you're gonna do is you take your paintbrush, dip in the white paint obviously, and then do light, even coats. Make sure you only go in one direction too. And take your time. And you're also going to want to tape it off when you do the black paint because you don't want that spilling all over the place. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the midsole. And then you can also use this paint to do the upper part too, to get it a more crisp white. And then I'm gonna do all of this, and then I'll come back with part 2 to show you the black paint and the Jumpman in the back. Alright, as you can see, I did all the white on the upper part, the midsole, and the back by the Jumpman. So I'm gonna show you how to make sure your tape is perfect. You just put it along the side where you need it. You use like your fingernail, and then you just put it right into the seams or edges or whatever. And take a pocket knife, and then you just cut it all along where you need it to be. Do it real slowly, make sure it's perfect. Alright, and you just do I'll show you guys how to do the Jumpman first before I get to the midsole. Take a smaller paintbrush, one for fine details. You put it in the black paint. Lightly put it over. Make sure you do it real careful because you need to be exact.
It is done. Now that the representative from South Africa has been
I see a fresh Jumpman. The tape is all good. So now I'm going to start the black part of the midsole and I'm going to put these shoes. So you put the black paint on.
Master of the world. My plan is
lightly.
but just in case.
It's really important that you only go in one direction because it's going to ruin the whole thing if you don't make it look real sloppy.
You keep your eyes open. When I tell you, start snapping. Oh yeah, sure. Ladies and gentlemen, I am risking my life to tell you with great concern that I must warn you. You must listen.
Obviously I'll finish the whole thing, wait for it to dry, and then I'll put a second coat on, and then maybe a third coat if needed, but it probably won't be. And then that's pretty much it, and I'll show you the finished product now. Alright, and here we go with the finished product. I took 2 coats, 2 real simple coats. It took less than 20 minutes to do this. Black paint, which is good. So we got a wearable pair of white cement 3s. These aren't for me, these are actually for my brother. So I actually traded for some Shack Attacks and some Joker ones, which is good on my part, I guess. And I'll hit you guys with another video next week. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Links to my Instagram will be down below in the description. And you guys have yourself a Happy New Year, I guess. Peace out.